Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name's Patrick. For the rest of you, welcome back. In today's episode, we're gonna be hanging out here, underneath the hatch. Slamming shut when you don't expect it. Not illuminating anything. First, let's take a little run through of all the different things that are not currently functioning on the rear hatch. Probably with what gets used the most is our rear center brake light. As you can see, we have nothing going on there. Next is central locking. Right now, it's key from the outside only locking. All right, right now, as I lift this, it will probably hold when I pull my hand away. All right, but that isn't always the case. Right now, it's pretty warm in here. If we were outside in a windy, cold parking lot, it would just fall back shut, which is a great opportunity to hear the satisfying thud of the rear hatch slamming shut when you don't expect it. But wait, there's more. Right now, our rear windscreen wiper is not wiping anything. The rear windscreen wiper nozzle is not spraying anything. The rear window demist is not demisting anything. And the two lights that should be illuminating our rear license plate are currently not illuminating anything. In theory, most of those issues should be corrected when we replace both of the wiring harnesses. I ordered some factory original tailgate harnesses. In addition, we're gonna switch out these gas tailgate struts. We're gonna put on a new windshield wiper blade, and it seems like a good time to switch out our license plate lights with LED bulbs and maybe do our interior cabin lighting as well. I will make sure to put a list of everything that we're using, both for the parts and the tools, in the description below. So if you want to do this project on your own, you can check that out before you get started. All right, so now let's do a little disassembly. This 1,500-pound jack should be just enough to support it. Just gonna gently pinch the material and pull out slightly until it pops out of the groove that it fits it. And then gently pull down and it'll just pop out. So we have easy access to the bolts underneath. All right, now we can move on to the driver's side. Same process, should go even a little better since we've had practice with the one side already. looks like that took care of most of our issues. We have our license plate lights are nice and bright. We do have a little gap right here. You can see I have to replace that foam that makes the seal in between the light housing and the lift gate itself. Our rear brake light is now working. The pump for the windscreen wash seems to be working, but nothing's coming out of it. I'm going to have to see maybe there's something plugged in the nozzle. Locked up nice and tight. Okay, our replacement tailgate struts have plenty of lift, as you can see. The interior lights. Alright, and just a few hours later, we have a lot of things taken care of on the back of the Volvo 240 wagon. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode.